Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Got plenty of fog out there across the mid-state this morning that might slow you down just a little bit on your way out the door, as if the Monday morning routine isn't quite slow enough already. Let's take a look at what's happening outside from some WeatherBug camera perspectives. Bedford County looking okay, some fog to reduce visibilities, but it's not real thick there around Bell Buckle. City of Clifton, some haze and fog. Again, not thick enough to probably have a huge impact on your drive to work there. St. Henry School in West Nashville usually isn't one of the foggy spots, but you can see some of it kind of hanging out in the trees on the hilltop in the distance, but it's going to disappear quickly. Metro Nashville, the fog should be gone by 7:30 basically at the latest, and there's not a whole lot to begin with. Other parts of the mid-state, that fog's a little thicker, might take until 8, 9 o'clock to disappear. Temperatures are warm. We're at 74 degrees here at the station. It's also really muggy outside. Dew points are back up into the mid-70s, and when that number's in the mid-70s, it feels disgusting outside in terms of the humidity. Definitely air you can wear and get used to it. It's not going anywhere for a little while. The forewarned live radar not picking up on anything around Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky, but there are thunderstorms just off to our north. That's where mainly the focus for activity is going to stay, farther off to our north. These thunderstorms in southern Illinois and southeastern Missouri could make a run down towards the northwestern part of the mid-state, so we'll keep an eye on those this morning. And in general, the farther north and northwest of Nashville you go, it's where you have the better thunderstorm chances later on today, much like yesterday. Temperatures are warm in the meantime, low to mid-70s. Where you're a little bit cooler, you're more likely to run into some of that reduced visibility. So around 70 in Tullahoma, even 69 degrees in Livingston, and then 71 degrees in a whole bunch of spots around the mid-state. Just a couple of degrees above average with 75 in Nashville, the warm spot on the map. Futurecast doesn't allow those storms to sneak into even northwestern Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky until we head into the afternoon. Isolated showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible everywhere, but for most of us, we're talking that typical summertime 20 to 30% chance. I wouldn't bet on it. Odds are the heat's going to be a bigger story for you. But here are some of those thunderstorms trying to move into the northwestern corner of the mid-state this afternoon and early this evening. Those will dissipate after the sun goes down. We'll see calm weather for most of the night. Can't rule out a few very late night or early Tuesday morning showers in eastern Middle Tennessee. Those will scoot out very quickly, and then just unsettled weather once again for Tuesday, with a better chance of those scattered showers and thunderstorms for everybody. But once again, it's going to be in that 30 to 40% range. It's not a guarantee of any thunderstorms tomorrow. And if we do get some storms, odds are they are not going to be severe. Low severe weather potential today and tomorrow. A little more organization to the atmosphere on Wednesday prompts a marginal risk of severe weather, but even then, that's level 1 out of 5. It is not a big cause for concern, and we'll drop the storm chances from the forecast entirely by the end of the work week on Friday. Heat index is going to be the bigger story today compared to those storm chances. Air temperature at 94 will feel more like 100 to 102 degrees during the hottest part of the afternoon. So take those hot weather common sense precautions and do it again tomorrow and do it again on Wednesday, even with the better storm chances the next couple of days. And then we'll start to shake those storm chances on Thursday. We'll dry out Friday and Saturday, both in terms of the rain chances and in terms of the humidity. Should be a little bit lower by Friday and Saturday, although it's still going to be hot. Melanie?
All right, thanks, Paul. We'll be sure to crank the AC this morning.